Good morning, student. Today I will prove some of the trigonometric ratios with the help of given trigonometric ratios. These are the some important type of questions. So many such type of question come in board examination. Let us see these questions on proving result. पहले यहाँ लिख तो दूँ यार, मैथ्स रिवीजन क्लास 10th पार्ट 5 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर 8 on proving results involving trigonometric ratios. Such type of questions are there. First, if sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1, prove that cos square A plus cos power 4A is equal to 1. Here it is given. By using this one, we will prove this value. So, sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. This sin square take on right side. Sin A 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Squaring both sides, sin square A is equal to cos square A whole square. Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A is equal to cos power 4A. Take on cos square A on left side to right side. So, it will be cos square A plus cos 4A. Proved. This is important question. See the second question. It is also very important. If tan A plus sin A is equal to m, tan A minus sin A is equal to n, prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 root mn. So, take it left hand side, m square minus n square, putting the value of m, tan A plus sin A whole square, tan A minus sin A whole square, a square minus b square, a minus b and a plus b. This tan A cancel, 2 sin A, this sin A cancel, 2 tan A, So it will be equal to 4 sin A tan A. Now taking right hand side, right hand side is 4 root mn. 4 value of m is tan A plus sin A. And value of n is tan A minus sin A. 4 a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. 4 tan A is written as sin square A upon cos square A minus sin square A. For cos square A is LCM, sin square A minus sin square A cos square A. Take sin square A is common, 1 minus cos square A upon cos square A. 4 tan square A into sin square A, this 4 is outside, take the square root of it, that is 4 tan A sin A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verified. Now see the third question. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, show that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. By using of this, we will prove this one. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta take on right side, root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Taking cos theta common, sin theta upon root 2 minus 1 is equal to cos theta multiply with its conjugate, root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 is equal to cos theta. So root 2 plus 1 sin theta a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, multiply inside root 2 cos theta plus cos theta, root 2 sin theta plus sin theta upon 2 minus 1 is equal to cos theta. 2 minus 1 is 1. So root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta take on right side, it will be cos theta minus sin theta. So this is a proof of this question. See one more question. if fourth question, if x is equal to a sin theta, y is equal to b tan theta, then prove that a square upon x square minus b square upon y square is equal to 1. Left hand side, a square upon x square minus b square upon y square, putting the value of x and y. X is a sin theta, so it will be a square sin square theta. Y is b tan theta, b square tan square theta. A square cancel, b square cancel. 1 upon sin square theta minus 1 upon tan square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta. 1 upon tan is cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So, this is proved. So, these are the 4 questions we have completed. On next turn, I will do some more question for you.